What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your host, Eric, aka the Vintage Drip Junkie. We're back with another video, thrifting vintage number 31, I believe. Yeah, it's thrifting. God damn it, let me check. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel for thrifting vintage number 31. We got a little bit of something different. We're going to be mixing it up today. We got just a couple really small finds from the racks. Other than that, we're just going to be switching things up. Stay tuned and let's go. What's that, buddy? Yeah, this pop-up's gonna be popping. We're just about ready right now. All $5 or less? Goodness gracious. I know, you can't stand it. But all this rack is priced, ready to go. Yeah, not bad. Oof, there's the TEES I just pulled the other day. That Blazers. Oh man, I forgot. I didn't even film this. I'm asking 125, but I pulled this out of Goodwill the other day, and what a scoop! I mean, beautiful leather and wool, amazing condition. But yeah, I mean, needless to say, I hope that is popping tomorrow. We got a lot of good stuff going up. But I was even thinking of that about keeping this for the personal. So honestly, I hope that doesn't sell, but you know, I'll accept $20 for it, so I don't know. Not bad. I'm pretty excited for it. Yeah, it's gonna be my first little pop-up, and we're just about ready here. This right here is the other rack I'm gonna be using. Obviously it folds down, but everything from here over is priced, ready to go. So I think I might just do a few more things to throw on that rack because it is pretty big. Yeah. And then other than that, I think that we're going to be set and ready to go. I'm pretty excited for it, needless to say. But yeah, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm ready, man. I don't want to go out there and look like a spode. So let's go. Today is the day, you guys. We're all packed up. A whole ocean of goods in the back of this car. We're absolutely stuffed full completely to the max, to the brim. But the only sad part is that it's raining today, but rain or shine, I mean, the sale's still going on, but might just be a little bit less foot traffic. We'll see what happens, man. I'm pretty excited for it regardless. It's gonna be a cool experience, but I'm not even really too worried about how it goes down as far as sales. I'm just happy to be doing it for sure. Just kind of getting my foot in the door, you know, as far as setting up here somewhere downtown. So let's go. Looking good. We're getting all set up down here. Ew. Sick. Super sick. There's just a few of the empty hangers there. It went pretty well, man. We killed it for sure. We each made like a handful of sales, so it wasn't bad at all. Killing it.
It's a good shirt. I'm stoked. That's one of my better finds. It's really till I go through and find the plastic silver stuff. I really
Well, kind of sucks to be selling this shirt, but money talks, so it is what it is. Time to say sayonara to definitely one of the best rap tees I've had, probably besides the Gangstar, but it is what it is, man. Gotta let them go at some point. Another gorgeous Oregon day. About to go down and hopefully find some goods. But yeah, the pop-up went well. I think I made a little over a couple hundred bucks. So, I mean, it wasn't bad. Not like insanely huge profit, but it was good. Good enough to want to do it again for sure. Now I just need to get time off work, but hopefully I can do that. But yeah, hyped to go thrift a little bit hopefully we'll find some goods down there, and we'll crank out another video for you guys. Let's go. Whoa. That's weird. Weird. Yikes. That's nasty. It makes me think, like, who would just keep wearing it and keep wearing it and keep wearing it until they damn near fall apart. But the thing is not everybody is, you know, well off enough to buy, you know, 8 pairs and then just keep them fresh. So, yeah. Man, I hope it's not dry in here today. Super dry the other day. But at least I got that Homeland Security drip on deck. But yeah, I just hope it's not lame today. The other day was super lame. It was super dry. But hopefully they did a little restocking. Hopefully they got a little card out for me. So let's take a look. Look at this shit. It's so fucking whack. Look at that, $40. These probably would have been like $30 at the outlet. You know what I mean? Blah. All right, so I did quit thrift. Excuse me. Damn it. But yeah, I mean, it's a super nice camera. It's just not the best. It's not the best quality. And the lens, like, it's so big, it's zoomed in, and it's just not what I'm looking for as far as like doing the vlogs and thrifting and videos like that. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm just gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna get myself a new camera. Hopefully that's gonna be ultra high definition. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep moving and keep working towards that. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just working towards a bigger computer, or better computer, newer computer, and a bigger camera. Bigger, better everything. That's what we're after. But yeah, back to it. By the way, I just wanted to say that that drone does work. I'm actually not gonna hook it up right now, and the battery was getting low, so I was flying it around for like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour. I'm trying to anyways. I crashed like 5 times. But anyways, I was able to actually hook it up on my iPhone and fly it. So it is working. $20. Cool. The camera's not very good, but yeah, it does work. So there's that. And another, by the way, that Nikon camera is a shockproof, waterproof, freeze-proof camera. So I can do like underwater shots with it. I'm probably going to be taking it on a trip when I go to Vegas/Utah to see my mama. And it's been like 2 years since I've seen mom, so I'm super hyped to do that. But that's going to be a whole nother video down the road in a few weeks, so, or about a month. But yeah, I'm hyped for it, man. But also, yeah, I'm just in the market looking for a different camera. So preferably, probably a Canon. They're the best, like low light shooting, kind of like this. But yeah, whatever. By the way, I just wanted to say thank you guys. We're now at 80 subscribers. We're almost to 100. We're only 20 away from the giveaway. I'm so hyped for it, you guys. But anyways, I just kind of wanted to switch things up from the norm because the thrifts have been so dry and we haven't been finding anything. I just kind of wanted to take you guys back into the stash, and I wanted to show you my 5 favorite tees. So these are coming in no particular order. They're kind of like children. They're all my favorite. I can't pick one above the other, you know what I mean? But, I mean, there's a few that are better, you know what I mean? But I'm not going to say, you know, these are ranked 1 through 5. So, anyways, bam. This is how it all started, people. This is the internet. If you know what this is, then you know what this is. This is AOL, dial-up. Mullet hit. Hanes beefy tag. This is a gorgeous little shirt right here. I just love that big back hit. Yeah, I just love this shirt. It's one of my favorites for sure, and it always will be. Here's another one. One of my favorite bands. I just kind of have a bit of a connection to this music. Even though it's super dark, super depressing, it is what it is. We all have our trials and tribulations. As you guys know, I used to be hooked on the heroin myself. So I like to think that I know what Lane was feeling. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Super sick piece. I got another one as well, and also another AOL piece as well. But yeah, the Flintstones all over print that I just got recently reacquired. So I had sold one off, and then I found another one, and I had to have it. I just think that this all over print and like all the different characters, all the different little hunks of graphic all over this thing. It definitely just embodies the cartoon, and I just love it. I love the style of it, and it's irreplaceable. I just think that this is definitely the best Flintstones tee out there, and it's just one of my favorites right now. Blazers all over print, so I also have another one of these as well, but this one, the colors, I mean, geez, the pattern, it's nuts. Absolutely nuts. It just doesn't get much better than this, and it's also like in my size. This is my personal shirt right here. And then last but not least, oh wait, yeah, this is last. This is number 5 right here, the Gatorade Grail. As I was saying before, there's only one person I know of that has this. Yeah, it's just a great shirt for sure. Super happy to have it. A really cool part about it is like this sewn on. It kind of looks like the jersey, like Champion hit, but this is a shirt, straight T-shirt, Fruit of the Loom tag, single stitch, absolutely beautiful graphic. Doesn't get much better than that. And that right there is my 5 of my favorites. I have so many favorites on this rack. I could just go on for hours. So yeah, anyways, back to it. Let's go. Alright, now once again, before I say peace out, I just want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate everyone watching, everyone that subscribed. I appreciate it greatly. This is one of my passions, as you guys know, and I'm going to keep cranking out these videos for you guys. Just make sure you spread the word. I do have a free giveaway starting really soon, so make sure you guys spread the word, like the video, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you stay subscribed, and make sure you follow my Instagram. I'm going to have a link to that in the description of this video. Once again, I really appreciate you guys. I got love for everybody that's watching, you know, whether you're fans or family or whatever, friends, you know, I really appreciate you guys. This was definitely just a dream of mine to be doing this, and you know, yeah, I just love doing it. And yeah, we're gonna be back soon. Peace out. Good boy.